Totallee cases for the iPhone 15 Plus and for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I want to give a special shout out to Totallee for sending these cases over. Let's dive right in. TotalleeCase.com. Check them out. Slide this out. Little baggie here. Put that to the side for now. And then would love a review, need help. That's their contact information. Email. Put that to the side. A slim and minimal phone case. 1% to charity. 2-year warranty. 100% recyclable case. TotalleeCase.com. And it looks like we have a frosted case here. Now, if you're really into like super thin cases, you just want a minimalistic, super thin case, and you don't necessarily care about protection. I mean, this will give you scratch protection, but don't expect any drop protection out of a case of this type, then this might be the case for you. We'll just put it on, and we'll have a real quick look at the case. If you want to show off the pink, then this case is for you because this looks very nice. You can still see the camera cutout right there. It's actually very well protected. Here's the cutout for your power button. Very precise on the cutouts. Love that. On the side here, we have the cutouts for the volume buttons and the alert switch. Case feels really good in the hand. Of course, we do have to test out the MagSafe. And of course, I don't really anticipate any issues with the MagSafe, as you can see. Sweet, man. So this is the frosted clear for the iPhone 15 Plus. I don't know which one this is for. Is it for the Pro? Is it for the Plus? I don't know. Let's find out together. I'm gonna open this up, and what do we got? Looks like we have a clear case for the 15 Plus on this one. Just look at the clarity of that. You can clearly see my hand as if there was no case in the way. We'll put it on, see what it looks like. Nice and super easy installation. The increased grip on this clear case, if grip matters to you. Thin and light, but also adds some grippiness. Consider this clear case camera cutout, and there's your protection right there. Now this case does have raised buttons for your power and also your volume, and a cutout for the switch. Easy access to that, not an issue. Again, the precise cutouts right there. There's your USB Type-C cutout. Very nice, simple, super clear case, and you still get to show off the color of your iPhone 15 or 15 Plus. Buttons work nice, the volume works nice, no issues with the clicky factor. MagSafe. There we go. Charged with the MagSafe. Love it. Next up, what am I getting with this? Now this one does say enjoy on the seal, so I do like that. Oh, this one's for the 15 Pro Max. Okay, we're heading over to the Max phone now. I like it. Ooh, we got a frosted one. Nice. Now where's the frosted one for the 15 Plus? There's the 15 Plus. This is for the Max version. Now I do have the blue titanium 15 Pro Max here. Go ahead and put the case on. Now this one's a little bit more of a snug fit, so you may have to work it a little bit. And I have to say, this looks nice. It'll give you that icy frosted look. Here's the 15 Plus. Nice. Cut out for the cameras. And there's your protection right there. Precise cutouts for your speakers and the USB-C. I dig it, man. Feels good to hold, and we'll test out the MagSafe. There you go. No issues with the MagSafe. I dig it. All right, man, what do we get next? Loving the suspense. Put that to the side, put that to the side, and then we'll open this up. Ooh, we get a blue frosted case. Now I'd have to say, good thing I have the blue titanium here. I think this is gonna look pretty nice. Let me put it on. Now I have to say, if you got the blue phone, you want a thin case, you gotta get this blue one for your blue titanium 15 Pro or Pro Max. This looks pretty nice. If you wanna keep the color of your phone, you get this blue one to match your blue titanium. Real quick look at the camera cutout. There's your protection right there. You have your open cutouts for your power and also your volume, and also the action button, as you can see. Precise cutouts on the bottom here for your speaker and USB-C. And on the front, since this is a darker case, it kind of blends in with the black screen of the 15 Pro Max, so you don't get that border. I am digging this one. This is very nice. I might actually keep this one on the phone moving forward. Love it. We got to test out the MagSafe, which works clearly, as you can see. So no issues with the MagSafe. This might be my favorite one. I love it. I'm curious, what is this last case? Which one is this? We'll have a look. We'll open this up and let's find out. Here's the clear one for the Plus again. Let me put the Pro Max one on. If you want increased grippiness and you want to show off the actual color of your 15 Pro Max, whether it's this titanium blue or the natural titanium, consider this case from Totallee. I am digging this one as well. We'll check out the camera cutout. There's your protection for the camera. Raised buttons for your power. As you can see. Raised buttons for your volume. No problem with the clicky. And then here's the action button. You got a cutout for that. No issues with that. The precise cutouts at the bottom for USB Type-C and speaker. I'm digging this one. Nice and grippy. Keeps the thin profile of your phone. At the same time, showing off the color of your device. We'll test out the MagSafe. There you go. Love it. Cool, man. So these are cases for the iPhone 15 Plus and the iPhone 15 Pro Max from Totallee. If you're interested, I'll have links in the description down below. And once again, a special shout out to Totallee for sending these cases over. Thanks for watching. Peace out.